Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skate 3 on your Xbox Series X. Good news, Skate 3 is fully backward compatible, meaning you can enjoy this classic game on your current generation console. There are two main ways to get started, either by using your original Xbox 360 game disc or by purchasing and downloading a digital version from the Xbox Store. Both methods are straightforward, but require your console to be connected to the internet for initial setup and any necessary game updates. Let's dive into the details. If you own a physical copy of Skate 3 for the Xbox 360, simply insert the disc into your Xbox Series X console. The system will recognize the game and begin downloading any required data and updates automatically. This process ensures you have the most up-to-date version of the game. Installation typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once complete, you can launch Skate 3 directly from your game library and hit the streets of Port Carverton. For those who prefer digital convenience, you can purchase Skate 3 directly from the Xbox Store on your Series X. Once purchased, the game will appear in your full library, ready for installation. Simply select Skate 3 and begin the download. A stable internet connection is essential for a smooth and quick download process. This digital option means you won't need a physical disc, making it easy to switch between games without swapping media. Enjoy the freedom of digital gaming. Playing Skate 3 on your Xbox Series X offers a significantly enhanced experience. You'll immediately notice improved frame rates, providing a much smoother and more responsive gameplay feel compared to the original console. Additionally, loading times are dramatically reduced, getting you into the action faster. To ensure the best performance, always keep your Xbox Series X system software updated to the latest version. Get ready to shred with superior visuals and speed on your modern console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.